What the fuck is up? It is your boy Savage Wolf Gaming back with another video, and y'all see what I'm playing. If y'all have been OGs with the channel, you know me playing Resident Evil was like my staple. There were some good times.
Oh, what the fuck? Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
There were some bad times. Oh, big body ass. Oh, hell no! And just straight up terrible times.
Oh, yeah, give me that hand. Oh, it's your bitch ass. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Here I come. Here I come. Am I coming? Oh, I'm coming. Oh, here I come. Yeah, hold it down. Hold it down. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, yeah.
But we are back on it, getting back to our roots. We are playing that Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw demo. I'm excited because Resident Evil 4 is personally my favorite iteration to the series. And we got my nigga Leon Kennedy. Oh, let's motherfucking get it.
I was asked later to join a top secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Feds got you, Leon.
The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
Oh, not my brother. Oh, my nigga Kendo.
It can be
Ada.
different. It has to.
Well, Leon, here's a spoiler. It's not any different. It's actually low-key worse. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe
Oh, I can't read.
by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Yeah, that's a whole fact, bro. Ooh, this shit look crispy. All right. See what's taking so long. All right. Get my buttons down. All right. B's crouch. AX don't do nothing. Oh, man. Some nigga lost a damn Tim in the beginning of the game. Oh, not the Tims, bro. Y'all see this white bitch? She about yay high, big old butt. Nah. All right, bro. I could take the dead meat, I could take the dead head, and all the insides and stuff like that. We good, but we ain't here for all that. Alright. Yo, I am excited, y'all. Woo! Alright. We're supposed to go up in here. I think this is when shit started to go. I think this is when it started to go down. Hello? Ah, shit. Hello? Have y'all seen a white woman about yay high? Y'all niggas don't clean up shit, don't y'all? Has turd fin via estancago, yeah. I don't know what the fuck that shit means, so I'm gonna go back here. Hello? Ooh, y'all niggas is nasty. You can tell. Ooh, this guy got bed bugs. Ooh. The fuck is this? Judgment is night. Okay. Ah, shit. Here we go with this Resident Evil bullshit. Starting off early. Oh, nigga, this is goddamn Uncle Elroy's boom boom room. Oh, this nigga high as hell. Oh, we got the Reggie hanging too. Hey, what's up, my brother? Hey, how much for an eighth?
Like this.
Bro, I don't know what you saying. All I came for was an eighth.
You know a key?
This nigga like, nigga, I don't sell apes. I sell that weight, homie. They said, all right, then, no, I'm gonna take me a little CC. Let me get an ounce. Oh, let's take the feds? Oh, you just like me. Ow! Bitch ass nigga. They said, no, you gonna buy this way. You gonna buy this way. Oh, kick this shit out of me. Yeah, Leon Candy, bitch. Damn, I just killed the drug dealer. Nigga said, no, you messed up my sale. I can't get in here to Reggie. Oh my God, kick the shit out of him. Hey, my man. So, I'ma just take all this weight and, your customers is my customers and I am still a Fed, but guess what? I'm a dirty one. All right. That's about, look like about a half, about an eighth. That's at Zaza. That look about an eighth. Ounce. All right, so we got about a half pound. We good.
Man, that stinks.
Oh, this what y'all niggas eat? Look like straight ass and depression. Where the fucking door at? Rusty ass key. Ooh, it's a little dark in here. Oh, what in the satanic? I'ma drink the Kool-Aid. Goddamn shit going on here, nigga. The Undertaker about to pop out. Oh! It's a big ass New York rat. Hey, back up off me. The fuck they got going on here? La Empire of Desperano. Hello. I'm not the feds. I didn't kill the drug dealer. Hello.
Hey.
Oh shit, my homie. I mean, fuck 12. Oh, this got high off the Reggie too. Oh, Pollo? Y'all niggas making chicken?
What's your situation?
Ah, y'all niggas eating chicken without me?
What the hell's going on?
Come on, Leon, let's go, man. The fuck 12. Come on, let's go. Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. Oh, that's about to go down. Let's get it.
What was that?
Hey. I'm gonna shoot you in your shit. Don't do it. Oh, what's up, huh? Nigga, hold that. Oh, bitch. Oh, get up off me. Bitch. Yeah, what's up, homie? Bitch ass nigga.
Keeps getting worse.
Oh, I fucked up, man. You know in Resident Evil, you never supposed to waste your bullets, and I ain't gonna find no bullets. So I got 4 of these motherfuckers, man. Rapolo. Nigga, my name Leon. What's up? You the op? What's up? Nigga, bring that shit. What's up, bitch? Nigga, let me. What's up, bitch? Oh, what's up? Nigga, ayah! Oh, y'all niggas is jumping. Bet. What's up, bitch? Come here. Ayah! What's up, bitch? Y'all niggas want to jump? What's up? Y'all niggas want to jump? What's up? Y'all niggas ain't on shit. Now y'all niggas is on payroll. Y'all niggas better have a Reggie at the end of the month. You feel me? I'm gonna need at least about 2 pounds from you. Oh, this nigga dive his booty in the air. Man, I ain't gonna fuck with you. But you, I'm gonna need about 2 of them things every month, pussy. So, yeah, we got my shit loaded. It's fully loaded. Oh, Leon, get your goddamn gun, man. Oh, what in the hell? Niggas still using maps, right? You ever heard of Apple Maps or Google Maps or Waze?
This is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter.
Hey, what's up, baby?
It's likely she's in this village.
You see me kill them 3 niggas?
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Y'all know there's smartphones for
Things
this,
happen to
right?
people here. My escorts are.
Oh.
Gotta go. Talk later.
I ain't got enough bullets on all this shit, man. Oh, y'all niggas want to jump? What's up? What's up?
So far.
Weak? Stupid? What's up? You're like, oh, you bitch ass nigga. You lucky my knees ain't good. If I had my knee brace on, I would have jumped out that motherfucker. Never leave home without your knee brace, yo. Bitch ass niggas. Alright, now I gotta find me some fucking bullets, man. God damn. Hey, this ain't really safe, but we just gonna keep running. Anyone have some bullets? I will take 1, I will take 10. Hey, give me some bullets. Oh, no, you gotta have some. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Give your boy some bullets. Load my black ass up. Yeah, nah, I ain't pump faking no more. Oh, yeah, yeah. Load me up, load me up. Gunpowder. Typewriter. Oh, yeah, it's a demo, so I can't save. Got some more bullets. Why? I hit somebody. Yo. Hello. Who the fuck was breathing so damn hard? Give me. Break. Ah, come on now. I'm gonna need some more bullets. Yo, who the fuck is breathing so damn hard? Yo. Who the fuck keep breathing so goddamn hard? Oh! Oh, nigga try to catch me lacking. What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? All that. What's up, nigga? Niggas ain't on shit. What's up? Oh, yeah, nigga. Damn! Oh, nigga. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh, this nigga just... don't lose your head, homie. Bitch ass nigga. Drop me some bullets. Oh yeah, so now I got the gunpowder, so I can combine this motherfucker. Where the fuck did my gunpowder go? Alright. Oh man, these guys have me dying laughing. Get it? Dying laughing? I guess y'all two are ahead of the game. I cracked myself up.
What?
Oh! I ain't get up on me.
Damn it.
Thank God I got these Timberlands. Got the high top motherfuckers. Nigga, you is not fooling anyone with that loud ass, musky ass breath. I can hear you and I can smell you from a mile away. Who the fuck was you fooling? So yeah, bro, I tried to get you. Well, guess what? Trying and doing are 2 different things, and you, sir, have failed. Ooh, fresh canadi. How you use that? Alright, cool. Ooh, we got the Zaza. You know what? I really mean to kill you. Like, if I knew you was just paying what you owed me, I would have let you rock. But yeah, on to the next one. Weed man is here. I hope all y'all niggas got all the bud. Oh, you got my weed? Nah, bro. It's with my other body. All right, bro, I got you. Hey, man. Hey, keep your head up, homie. I got you, big bro. My dog. Oh, they got my man's hammed up. I mean, yeah, fuck 12. Yeah, fuck 12. Yo, Roberto. Yo, my man's. Yo, you know if you die, you got $1 million life insurance policy, right? So your family about to be up, bro. Yeah, fuck 12. Oh, my nigga, I'm gonna come put, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, fuck 12. Fuck 12. Fuck the police. Hey, what's up, Grandma? Fuck the police. Fuck the police. Hey, fuck the police. I hope all y'all niggas got at. What y'all niggas got on my 40? What y'all niggas got on my 40? What's up? Oh, so y'all niggas wanna throw shit. What's up, bitch? Bitch? Nigga, come here. Oh, this bitch stabbed me. Alright, Grandma. That's how you wanna play? That's how you wanna play? I'll shoot you in your fucking shit. That's how y'all niggas wanna play? Nigga, fuck your flat top. What's up, nigga? Got enough for all y'all niggas. Oh, shit. Bitch! What's up? Got enough for all y'all niggas. What's up? Leon Kennedy, bitch. What's up, bitch? Back your ass up. Nigga. What the fuck is you talking about? Give me the fucking bullets. Bitch ass. Nigga, what the fuck is you talking about? Nigga. Leon S. Candy, bitch. Oh, chill, Grandma. Ninja. Ah, shit. Well, your boy's about to clock out. It would not be a Resident Evil series if I ain't died once or twice. Fuck the police. Yeah, fuck the police. Nigga, fuck. Shit. Sneak up on him. Yeah, what's up, bitch? Yeah, I am police, nigga. I am police. That's my mans. Alright. What's up? Oh, nah, Grandma, you finna get it first. Back up off me. 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 What's up? Oh, that nigga stone shit? Nigga, that's why I got guns, nigga. That's why I got guns. Load up, load up, load up. What's up, bitch? Bitch. Ah, shit. Yo, what's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up? What's up? I give niggas straight hands. I got straight hands for niggas. What's up? Bitch. I got straight hands for niggas. What's up? What's up? What's up with it? Yeah, what's up with it? Bitch! Bitch! What's up? Shit. Back him off me. Load up, Leon! Shit, come on, man! Hey, Roberto, hang in there, man. There's a lot of these niggas coming, bro. Back him off me, bitch. Yeah. Nigga. The fuck, nigga? This ain't hoes, nigga. Put that damn shovel down, pussy. What's up? Oh shit. Back up off me. Move, chicken. What's up, nigga? Bitch. Fuck y'all niggas talking about? Nigga, didn't I kick the shit out you already? One of these niggas gonna have to drop some bullets. Hey, Roberto, you see, bro? I got you, my nigga. I'm giving it up for these niggas. Ah, shit. Oh. I see why it's called the chainsaw demo. Got it. This nigga just got a clan meeting. Oh my god! What's up, bitch? Open inventory. Yeah, use. Oh, yeah, use it, yeah. Use that. Oh, wait, I got the gunpowder. Craft. Handgun ammo. Make handgun ammo. I'm dead. Alright. Oh, nigga. Nigga's trying to jump. Get the fuck up off me. Ah, shit. Well, and I'm in the dead end. Well, Roberto, I'm gonna be joining you real soon, my brother. Back up. Oh, shit. Man, I'm out here pump faking. Back up off me. I got it on me. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh my god, I'm ass, bro. I'm ass. Yeah, back up. I got that. Yeah, I got that. Oh, there's gotta be some bullets in here somewhere. Oh no. Someone gotta have some goddamn bullets. Someone gotta have some fucking bullets. Someone got. Oh, nigga. Someone gotta have some fucking bullets somewhere, man. It's 5, 4, something, man. Something. Alright, you know what? Bitch. What's up, bitch? I'm going out like a real nigga. Bitch. Yeah, what's up? I'm going like a motherfucking real one. What's up, man? Hey, what's up, bitch? What's up? What's up? Leon Kennedy and this bitch. Hey, don't worry, Roberto. I can take him, my nigga. Oh, bullets. Oh, that's your ass. Don't let me get these. Don't let me get these. Oh, yeah, that's your ass. Oh, yeah, that's your ass. That's your ass. Sup, bitch? Sup, bitch? Sup, bitch? Sup, bitch? Sup, bitch? Sup? What's up with it? What's up with it? Yeah, coño, yeah. Nah, load me up, nigga. Fuck that church bell, nigga. Fuck that church bell. Load me up.
La campana.
La campaña.
Hay que obedecerla.
Yeah, y'all know what time it is. Go to church. Yeah. Yeah, put that shit down. Niggas do what time it was, your boy. Oh, this nigga got the goddamn Jesus Mahomes threes. Yeah, just blend in, cut, blend in. Yeah.
Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
The fuck you just called me? Yeah, everybody go pray. You know, I was about to make y'all meet y'all maker. He's like, they had us in the first round, coach. Don't you bring your ass back here. But guess what, bitch ass nigga, when the full game come out, I'ma see y'all niggas again. Yeah, you see your man's lying on the ground. Yeah, your boy's like that. Yo, Roberto!
Bingo?
Oh, Roberto type, Crispy. Hey, don't worry, Roberto. And when the real game come out, I'ma save you. I promise, bro. Ooh, y'all motherfuckers see it, man. Oh, that was fucking great. So much fun. 18 motherfucking kills. Money acquired good. Come on, man. I'll have it. This was the Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw demo. Me, personally, I had a fucking blast. I'm going to have a blast actually playing this game. So I hope y'all enjoyed this demo. Make sure y'all like the video, comment, subscribe for your boys, share it around with your friends. Let them know, like, this nigga Savage is really a savage in Resident Evil 4. But alright, y'all, it's your boy Savage Wolf Game, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.